All right, today we're going to take a quick look at this Shine wall clock. This is a 16-inch digital wall clock. This thing is pretty big. It's large and in charge of the time, date, temperature, day here as well. So it tells you what day it is. Really nice, sleek design. It's designed really to go on the wall. There's no like feet or anything to lean it up on its own. So you do need to mount it into the wall. But it's pretty neat because it does come with a ruler, a guide for hanging it on the wall, and then it also comes with little thumbtack type things that are designed particularly to slide into here, so you don't have to drill any nails or hit any nails or drill any screws into the wall. It does come with a remote, so a lot of different options with the remote. You have different alarm options, so if you go to alarm, you can set alarm 1, alarm 2. You can turn it on and off from a distance as well, so when it's high up on the wall, you don't have to try to manually change it, but if you wanted to, you can, because there's some manual options here as well. So pretty cool. You can dim it, you can brighten it. So here's auto dim, or you can change it to manual, and you can brighten or lower the brightness as you want to. So if you're looking for a large wall clock for your room, for your office, or if you're like me and you have a podcast studio, live stream studio, and you want to be able to see the clock without having to strain your eyes, then I definitely recommend the 16-inch digital wall clock.